Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna play this game called Slime Rancher. I've actually never played this before. I've only seen a slight clip of it. I downloaded it a few weeks ago, but I'm just gonna go ahead and play it. I don't even know what this game is about, but I'm just gonna play it because I heard that it's pretty good, because it gets 10 out of 10 out of Steam, and I got it for free, so I'll just name it there. Yeah. I'll just use that one. Okay, confirm. Yeah, I am literally starting this game without even knowing what's going on at all, so hopefully it's gonna be pretty cool. A thousand light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range. Okay, you read it, but okay, what's going on here? Okay. Okay, jump. And then sprint. And hold shift to sprint. Whoa. Hold right mouse click. Okay, come here. Let me get you. Slimes are key to your success. Shoot slimes through a coral barrel into the coral on the ranch. Mouse wheel, select vac tank, hold left mouse shoot. Whoa. Here, come here, I want you. Let me get them all. Where are they? There's one over there. I'm holding it, hold left. Okay. What do I do now? Just got them all. What do I do? Mouse wheel, hold left. Okay. Oh. Is that what I do? Garden, coop. Okay, so do I like make money for that? I have some money. I'm gonna suck a chicken up too. Hearty chicken bred to be twice as tasty as its cousin on Earth. Okay, I wonder how that thing tastes. Let's go over here. Is this what I'm supposed to do? Oh. Oh, okay. There you go. Is that how it's supposed to be? Oh no, did they eat him? Did they just eat my chicken? What? What are you? What? Who do you think you are? You just ate my chicken. Come here. Pink plort. Oh, y'all turned him into a diamond thing. Tasty food acquired. Food like fruits, veggies, or chickens are used to feed slimes. Try shooting food at a pink slime. They'll eat anything. Okay. Did you eat it? Oh, they already ate it. And I get the slime cube thing. So where's... Oh, there's another chicken over there. Come here. I'll feed you to these slimes. Here, you'll like it. It's fun to be... Star mail received. What's that? What? Ranch house? Okay, here. Here, you take your food. And I'll go over here. Wherever. Range exchange. Offline. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to go over here. The plort market. The plort market gives you new bucks for your hard-earned plorts. Shoot a plort into the plort market and earn some cash. What? mouse wheel, select tank. So do I shoot it at this? Oh no, this game has pretty cool mechanics though. Come here, I want to shoot you in there. What do I do? Shoot a port into the port market and earn some cash. Oh. Okay, so I got some moolah just then. Oh, I think yeah, there's more over here. You've learned the fundamentals. Now it's time to get out there and explore. Ooh, this is gonna be really cool. Remember, the best way to become a pro rancher is to experiment. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, well, I guess there's nothing to lose. Let's go. Okay, there's a slime right there. Come here. Bruce, I need to find everybody so I can just put them in my vacuum cleaner thing. What happens if I fall off of here? Should I try it? What do I do? You've been knocked out. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I did lose that. I mean, at least I know now. It's an experiment, so. Hey, are they out? Where? Come here, I need you. Come here, chicken. There, y'all eat those little things up. Whoa. What? You can't get out of here. I need to fix that thing. I guess I need to try to. No. You stayed there. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some money over here. And maybe try to build a wall up there. What? Okay. Okay, so I got some more money. Okay, and that's my stamina down there. I wasn't looking at that. Sir. Some guys over here. Okay, what can I get? Is there anything? Okay, that's offline, so yeah, regain my stamina. Okay, let's. Whoa, what is this? Yikes. Okay, I can go through that. I thought I was gonna die if I did that. Okay, so I can make some more places up here. Let's just go explore over here. Oh, there's somebody out. They're out of here. Oh no. What are y'all doing? Hey, you need to get back in there. What should I name you? Oops. Sorry, I think I just killed your friend. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Y'all just do y'all's thing over there, and yeah. Press E to activate. Water tank, jetpack, heart module. Okay, so all that's 350, so I just need to go this way. Okay. So I think I can make more. High walls, 350. Okay, so I just need to find some chicken things. Oh yeah, and there's more valuable things over here too, like this. So like if I find some of those and get like farm those, I can make a lot of money and like make a whole place out of this. I think I'm kind of catching on. This is gonna be a really cool game. I like games like this. Whoa. Star mill. Okay, that's just boring stuff. Ranch. I don't know if that goes with the storyline or not, but if it does, yeah. Okay, I don't think they can jump over. Let's just go this way. Ooh. Ooh, that's a lot. Let's get all these. Come here. I'm gonna get all y'all. Come here. I know, this looks so mean right now. I'm just getting all these slimes. Look at it. Come here. Come here, buddies. Here, I'm just gonna take y'all from y'all's families and homes and everything. Yeah, I'm such a nice person. Here, come on. Come on, buddy. Here, I'll just take you from all your parents. Come here. Here, you come with me too. And you too. Okay, now all I have to do is find some chicken so I can make high walls. And then, yeah, I'll build have a very big, a lot of slimes. I need a chicken ranch though. What? Ooh. Ooh, what? Do y'all spawn those things or something? Ooh, there's a chicken. Chickadoo. So little and soft you'd think they're filled with marshmallow. Oh yeah, and I'm just gonna feed them to these slimes. What? Ooh, give me you. What? Oh. Okay, so I guess 20 is the max. I'm gonna go feed them these nice chickadoos in just a second. Let's see what we can find. What's over here? Can you feed these? Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna make some high walls, and then I'm gonna come back over here and get some more things. But did I come this way? Okay, yeah. Ooh, pink plort things. What's this? Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobson Twillagers Rancher, explorer, and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love, so keep your peepers peeled for notes like these, and you will want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to ya. Okay, I have no idea who that was, except that was some guy that had this place before. Okay, good to know. I guess it takes forever to walk. I'm just gonna let my stamina. Let's just run over here. Let's sell some of these things. I like how you can jump really high. Okay, 310. Let's go feed these things to here. Oh, somebody. Okay, nobody got out. Eat it. Eat it. Oh no, I feel bad now. Ooh, there. What? You want to eat it? Okay, I'm just gonna go over here. $330, I just need a little bit more. Why don't you eat this? No. Okay, you ate it. Okay, so I think this, yeah, this is enough, and then I'm gonna make high walls and put 20 in there. This is gonna be crazy. Oh, I think it's only one high wall though. Maybe. Okay, good. It's all high walls. Okay, so let's just get all these things out of here. Look at all these. That's a lot. Okay, yep. Let's feed them. So I'm just gonna leave y'all in there. You enjoying it? Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, little chickens. Yeah, I feel kind of bad for that, but okay, let's go get some more of those things. Are they over there? I don't know. That's a lot. I can't imagine how crazy it's gonna be after I get like these here, and like fill them almost all the way up to the top. Have like 500 or 1,000 in each box. Okay, not in there. I guess we're going this way. Yeah. I just need to figure out a way to get food for these things. Whoa. I guess they have free stuff. I don't know, but here's a plort thing. Pink plort. Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. Whoa, look, I got carrots. Oh, come here. Why are they dropping this? Okay. I don't care how they do as long as they do it. Whoa, they just jumped right out of there. What? Okay. Do you have anything over here? Dude, there's a bunch of stuff right here. Can I hold more than 20 of those plort things? Whoa, they just pop right out of the rocks. Oh no, I'm scared. Where are they? Whoa. Okay, yeah. They are just popping right out of everywhere, I guess. Ooh, you got some stuff right here. Okay, let's go back over here. I need to get some stamina up, but I have 11 pink plorts, so that should be $110, I guess, or 110 coins. And then I have a bunch of carrots and pogo fruits, so I'll just feed it to those right there. And they should just poop out a whole bunch of pink plorts. Oh, okay, now I can just... Whoa, that didn't work. Here, can I shoot you at the ground? Oh no, that's not good. Come here. Here, you need to come over here with me. You have to get into the cage so that I can farm you. Come here. Come here. I'm just gonna get all these things up and then shoot them out again. Yeah, that's how you farm, I guess. Yeah, okay. That's not a very nice way to farm. Ball pit? What's that? Where is it? Is it right here? E. Oh, press this. Port collector auto feeder. Ooh, I need to save up 500. Keep it stocked. Oh, so you still have to have food. Port collector. Okay, so I need to get like food things, like food harvesters, and like feed them. Oh, this is good right here. Okay, let's go put these plort things in here. Okay. Okay, so now I have 210. There's another one over here. I don't know how that got there, but it just did, I guess. Oops. There. Oh, what? Oh, no. Oh, no. How are you still alive? I didn't. Watch this. Yeah, let's just torture this thing. Oh, no. Okay, I think I lost him. Oh, there you are. Okay, let's just go put you over here so that you don't get hurt. Yeah. Because that's not necessarily a very nice place for you to be. I was trying to put you on top of the roof, not throw you off the world. Oh, there you are. Here, let's just put you in here. Probably more safe with all those guys right there. Oh, is this place active? Oh. Help me out where I can make sure you get what's owed. Okay. What do I do? I put like, oh, I have to get 10 of those guys. Okay, let's just get all these things up, I guess. And that's how you do it right here. I think I slung most of them out, though. Oh, no. That's not good. Let's get these guys right here. I know that I sound like really boring right now, but it's just that my mom's in here, so it's really kind of hard to be loud, you know. Okay, so you need 6 more. So where can I find some more? Over here, I guess. In this little place. Whoa, was this there before? Whoa, what are those? Phosphor slime. The softy, glowy heralds of starlight. Okay. What's in there? There's a pink one. I guess y'all are friends, aren't you? Can I put them in the same place? I guess I'll try. Now let's go back. It's night. Maybe that's the reason why. Okay, that's the same thing. But I might have to end the episode pretty soon because it's starting to get kind of long. Yeah, there's a lot of those guys over there. Okay, let's go over here. Can y'all fly? I'll put you on there. Okay. Yeah. Does that work? Yes, I don't know. Whoa. I think I need to turn this music down. It's kind of annoying. Alright, yeah, this is a lot better. That music was really distracting. I think that's my house. I don't know. Hey, let's shoot him in there. Missed. Okay. Not very good. Okay. A coop. Oh, a chicken place. I need like some kind of spawner thing, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, that'd be better. Pretty soon, within a couple months, I'm gonna try to get a new microphone set up, and a Logitech C920, because this camera isn't really necessarily the best quality, that's for sure. I mean, it's fine, I guess, but it's not really that great. But the C920 is gonna be a lot better because it'll be wide angle, so you can like see everything. And the audio quality is gonna be better because I'm gonna get a Blue Ember. It's a $100 mic, but it sounds almost as good as a $1,000 mic because things are pretty crazy. And then, and I won't tell you about the future plans that I have planned. Yeah, I don't really know what else to do because it's just grinding right now, and I really can't do grinding because this video is already like 30 something minutes long, I think. I just need to find some. It's night, so maybe I can go to sleep over here. I don't know. I wish there was better viewing distance, maybe. Well, this game has pretty cool graphics, so let's go in here. Sleep until morning. Okay. Yeah, now let's go over here, and there's probably a bunch of these guys over here. Yeah, I thought so. Let's just get all of them. Yeah, cool. Oops. Still only got them all. Oh no, what? What? How do I make them bigger? That's a lot. That's gotta be like 100. Probably. Or more. Do I have any food? Is that a road? Another one? I don't know. What's this place? I haven't seen this before. The Grotto Ranch expansion. That's cool. Yeah, I don't think there's really all that much else to do except in another episode because this is gonna take too long. And yeah, I hope this video wasn't too boring, but I'm trying to do my best, especially with my parents walking in and out of this room. It's just kind of hard to do. Yeah, my dad's gonna be gone for about 4 days, so I'll be able to make videos and scream, and it's gonna be fun. I can't wait. I'm gonna try to put out about, I'm gonna try to maybe make about 25 videos. Yeah, I'm gonna make 25 videos and have them in my storage, and just post those every single day for the next week. I mean, month, I guess. Yeah, they should last about a month. Yeah, of just playing this game and maybe playing some other boots. These highly advanced and frankly fashion-forward boots reduce the energy consumption of sprinting. Okay. Yeah. Well, I think this video is probably over now because I don't... Yeah, okay, so... I have a lot of future plans. It's gonna be awesome. This is gonna be so fun. This setup is gonna look way better. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. hit the like button and ring the bell so that you can see my videos every time I post them, so that you can be notified. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.